Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Systeme.io. So this is going to be the startup. Simply click on this funnels right there and look for create button over here. Let's name our funnel, for example, basketball. And then let's leave funnel domain as of now, or rather as it is. We can edit it later on, okay? Now we need to choose our goal for our funnel or landing page. For me, I'm going to click build an audience and I suggest you do the same, because we need to get leads here, right? So let's build an audience. Now the currency, this is gonna differ from one person to another. It really depends on where you're from. I'm just gonna put US dollars in there and click save. Now your plan doesn't allow you to create more funnels because this is actually a free plan. I already have 3 funnels on my background. So with this one, click on save and it should go straight on this funnels right here. Now for example, this is the preset template or funnel we're gonna edit. Simply click on it and then choose a pre-template. These are free, so you can get a head start and then avoid that scary blank landing page to start with, right? So you can still edit this one. For example, I'm gonna choose this, select right there. Now with this one, I can really name the landing page, or rather the website here, and the URL path. This is the domain name earlier. So click on edit page here, and from here now, you can just edit it as you please. Again, the limit here is just your imagination, okay? So again, this is gonna be how you edit or create a landing page on Systeme.io. After inputting your design here, click save changes right there, and your landing page is good to go. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.